Hello everyone, I am Sriram and I will be representing Healthify Me on behalf of Team Runtime Terror. Our group members are Rishab, Aishwarya and myself. So let us look about the ecosystem. The purpose of this application is to allow the users to get consultation on diet and exercise regime, take expert advice, and connect to them to get their issues resolved, thus equipping them to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, this application also manages the resources and responsibilities of each operational unit that is involved in this system. The problem statement emphasizes more on the importance of exercise and healthy food. So this is our object model diagram. So this is the ecosystem followed by network, followed by enterprise directory, and so on. The work request is used to handle the request corresponding to the particular roles. So these four are our enterprises: diet unit, gym unit, doctor unit, and store unit. The diet unit is connected to the nutrition organization. The gym unit is connected to fitness and weight training. The doctor unit is connected to general practitioner, orthopedic, and physiotherapist. And the store unit is connected to store and delivery. Let me give you an overview for a single flow. Let us take the example of Diet Enterprise. The customer is the end user here. The customer signs up and gives all the required details. Once it is done, he will be taken to the customer analysis page where he can select an appropriate goal. Now, let us assume he is expecting a diet chart from the nutrition. He first sends request to the nutrition. The request will reach to the nutrition admin who assigns that to a nutritionist. Then the nutrition logs in and can see the assigned request to them. They can process the request by sending the appropriate diet chart. So let me show this in the demo. So this is our application login page. So let us start the demo. So this is the landing page of the system admin. So in this J tree, we will get the different networks. So for initially, I have added two networks here, which I will show you. So in manage network, I have already added two networks, which means our application will work under these two networks, like Massachusetts and California, for example. I will add enterprise. So I have added the enterprises here. So let me add one another under California. So let me add store unit. So once it is added, we could see the California store unit. So here also we have a validation, like if I'm trying to add the same network and enterprise type, I will get an alert like enterprise is already added. So similarly in enterprise admin, I have added few enterprise admins. So here also let's try to add one for California as a trainer unit. So we have email validation. It should be given only in this format. So for example, if I'm trying to give any other thing and trying to click on submit, you will get a pop-up like, please enter all the required fields correctly. So let me give for this Cali. So it will be added here. So we are done with adding the enterprise admin and enterprise as well as network. So now let us log out and log in as each admin so that we can add employees. First, let us log in as diet admin. So here we are adding the nutrition organization under diet admin. I have already added an organization under it. Let us add an employee. So under nutrition organization, I will show you in the forthcoming admins like how we can add employees. So for the demo purpose, I have added the employees already. So we could see John as a nutritionist here. So let us log out and log in as trainer admin. So in organization, similarly, like how we did for nutrition organization, we will have weight and fitness being already added. So I have also added employee. In weight training, Nick is an employee, a weight trainer, and in fitness training, Rad is a fitness trainer. So let us log in as doctor. So in organization, physiotherapist and general practitioner, I have added. So now let me show you like how to add organization. So I'm adding orthopedic and click on add and I will get the orthopedic doctor here. Let us add an employee for orthopedic. Let us keep fred.com. So here also we have the same validations. So on click of create, you will get a pop-up like employee created successfully. Now, if you check for physiotherapist, we have an employee, general practitioner, and orthopedic. So let us log out and log in as the store admin, which is our fourth enterprise. So under store admin, we have organizations, store and delivery man. So I have already added for demo purpose. So employers also been added like for store and for delivery man. So now let us create a customer. So this is the customer registration page. So here I'm going to create a customer. So I have already created a customer. So if you have the same email ID being entered here, you will get email ID already exists validation. So let us give a unique email ID, an address. So password, we have the same validation for confirm password also. So here, if the customer doesn't have any health issues, he can select none, but without selection, he will not be able to register. So if I click on submit, he will be given with a prompt like, please fill the health issues. If you don't have any, kindly select none. So I will select none. But if you try to select the other types of health issues, automatically the none will get unchecked. And similarly for the same for the none. So let me submit. So the customer has been added successfully. So let me log in as a customer, which I have created previously. So this is the customer landing page. So he will get all the details that was given by him previously. And if he wants to update, he can click on update and select anything. Let me change the zip code here as something like this and click on save. And the same validation will hold in this page also. If he clicks on save, the customer will be updated successfully, like with the zip code. Now let us go to the view analysis page. So this page has the details about the customers, like the BMI calculation, which is being calculated at the back end based on the height and weight given by him during the registration. So he will also be assessed whether he is in normal weight or overweight or underweight. So now the customer will be given an option to select the goal as gain weight or lose weight. Let us consider that the customer is selecting gain weight. And now the submit request to nutrition will send the request to the nutrition admin as I explained in object model diagram. So he will also be able to get a doctor appointment as well as get the training workouts, which we will see in the later phase of this demo. So now I'm going to click on this. So once he sends the request, he will get a pop-up like request has been sent and you will receive an email once it is processed. Now let's click on OK. So here the diet status of the customer will get updated and the status will be like a request sent to admin. Now let us log out and log in as the diet admin. So initially, if you remember, we gave this email ID for the diet admin. So if you go into manage requests and click on nutrition organization and search, you could see the customer's request coming here. The admin can select the assignee. We have created John here. And if we click on assign, the request will be assigned to this corresponding nutritionist. So the request has been assigned successfully. Now, before that, let me also show you on creating another nutritionist. So let us go inside the diet admin and create another employee under diet admin. So let us keep like Jenny. So if we check here, another nutritionist has been added. So let me log out and log in as the second customer whom I have created recently. So the same process holds for this customer. So if we go to the view analysis page and let us consider he needs to lose weight, and if he clicks on submit request, the same request message will come and you could see the status updated here. Now let us go and log in as the diet admin. So on manage request, if he clicks on search, we could see the second request being populated here. So now let us try to assign this particular request to the employee John, who has already been assigned a task previously to another customer, but still the request is under process. So if we try to click assign, we will not be able to assign it to that employee because the assignee already has a request in open status. So now let us try to assign it to Jenny. Now I'm going to log in as the nutritionist and process the first customer's request. Let us check that. So when I logged in as John, who is a nutritionist, he could see the customer details being populated here. And if I click on view details, you will get an error like this because you haven't selected any row, which is again a validation. If I click on view details after selecting this, I could see the customer details here as well as health issues. And we could see the goal of this customer is to gain weight. So the nutritionist can analyze the health issues and the BMI of the customer, and the nutritionist can select a diet chart like weight gain 1 or 2 and give a message like follow regularly. So, and if when she clicks on accept and process request, the customer will get a mail on the weight gain 2 diet chart. So let us accept and process request. So it will take time until the customer, till the customer gets the mail. So once he does, he will get the nutritionist will get a pop-up like email has been sent to customer. So now let us check the email of the customer, like whether he has received the email or not. So now the customer has received the email. Let's go inside it and he would have got the weight gain 2 PDF. So now this PDF has been sent to the customer. Now let us log out and log in as the customer. And if we click on view analysis, he could see that the comment of the nutritionist and the status as result has been posted. So now let us consider that the customer needs a doctor appointment. He clicks on get doctor appointment. And here are the three doctors who will come under the doctor organization. So let us consider that the customer is trying to get a physiotherapist. So he will enter like have knee pain, need consultation. So on click of book appointment, he will be given a pop-up like request has been sent and you will receive an email once it is processed. So now so the customer's table will be updated here like with the message what he gave here and the status, the request has been sent to physiotherapist. Now let us log out and log in as the doctor admin. So when you log in as a doctor admin under physiotherapist, we could see the status of the customer and the assigned task to button will have the drop downs popped up with uh, the physiotherapist doctors who have been already added by the admin. So now let us assign this to Kin. So the request has been assigned successfully. Now let us log out and log in as kin. So we could see that the kin has the customer's request. On clicking on view details, he could see all the details of the customer, and he can send a message like follow regular, appointment has been booked kind of stuff. And let us click on process request. So once you click on process request, you will get the email has been sent to customer. Let us check whether the customer has received the email or not. So if you check the email, the customer would have received an email with the Zoom link of the doctor, the physiotherapist with his name, he can access this Zoom link and can get the appointment details. So the same process holds for the other two doctors who are general practitioners and orthopedic. So now let us log in as the trainer. Before that, let us go to the customer and see whether he can give a appointment or get the workouts from a trainer. So on view analysis, he can get training workouts. The same process, whatever we are going to do for the fitness trainer will follow for the weight trainer. Let us go to the fitness trainer, and he needs need workouts for upper body. So now if he clicks on request workouts, he would get the same here. Now let us log out and log in as the trainer admin. So when the trainer admin logs in and clicks on weight training, he would not got anything because we gave under fitness. So if we click on search, we could get the customer's request here. So we will assign this to Rad, who is a fitness trainer. The request has been assigned successfully. Let us now log in as Rad, who is a fitness trainer. So the trainer has got the request here. So now let us click on view details. He would see all the details of the customer, and based on that, he would send the fitness chart. So we could see, we could also give a message like follow regularly. So let us process the request. So once it is done, we will get the same pop-up like email has been sent to customer. So if we check the email of the customer, we could see that the chart has been sent to the customer like this. Now let us log out and log in as the store manager. So he is the store manager. So the store manager can manage inventory as well as manage orders. So in manage inventory, he can add the equipments or supplements that is being sold by the store. So I have already added an equipment named as dumbbell here. Now let us try to add a supplement, say whey protein, and we could give a price as 250 and add. So the item has been added successfully. So now if the store manager tries to add the same equipment again, say dumbbell, and add, we could get a pop-up like item already exists. Similarly, the price cannot be 0. You will not be able to add, and also it cannot be negative. So now let us log out and log in as the customer again. So the customer had done the nutritionist request, doctor request, and training request. So he also can place the order based on the training workouts response, the trainer's response. So he can place orders. So the store inventories which we added there will be available to the customers. This in fact means that whatever is there available in the store will be given here. So I am adding this to the cart. So we can also give a delivery message like deliver soon. And I'm also adding whey protein. to the cart. So the total price is 400. And if he clicks on place order, the order has been placed successfully. Now let us go back to the store manager and check whether he has received this order. So when we click on manage orders, we could see that the customer's order with the message has been seen. The store manager can also view what equipments or protein supplements he has added. So he could see the item names and the total price. And if he clicks on take order, the order will be accepted first. He will not be able to do it again. So you will get a prompt like already accepted. Now we need to assign a delivery man for this. So we have already created a delivery man, which I would have shown in the starting stage of the demo. So I'm assigning it to the delivery man here. So the delivery man has been assigned successfully. Now let us log in as the delivery man and make the order success. So we could see that the delivery man has received this order. And if we click on mark as delivered, he would get the prompt like the order has been delivered successfully. The same validation holds here. He will not be able to deliver it again. He would get the order has been already delivered. Now let us check the status from the customer perspective. I'm logging in as customer. So if he click on place order here, he could see the order history table. He could see the order, what he has done, and the total price. So he can also check again what he has ordered, I mean the items. So when he clicks on show items, he could see the items that he has already ordered. So that is all from our team Runtime Terror. Thank you.